Hello everyone, James here from Jamroz Electronic Solutions. I've got a Ford Focus here 2017. We have removed the wheel here because there is a slow puncher, but just want to show you how the tire pressure is monitored on these vehicles. So this is the wheel here. We're searching the tire for the cause of the slow puncher, but that's your Ford there. Just thought I should take you here. Here is the tire pressure monitor. Maybe if I can take out the light, that would be even better. That's the sensor there. TPMS. Okay, so this sensor here is what reads the pressure that is in the wheel, and then it will report if the pressure has gone down. But I'm going to take you to another car, another wheel for a Skoda Octavia. It's 2017 as well, between 16 and 17. I'll show you the difference here. So this is the wheel for a Skoda Octavia, 2017 as well. And here is the valve. And look, we do not have tire pressure monitors. Okay, there's no tire pressure monitor sensor, but yet it knows. It will tell you if this wheel is going down. So let's unveil the mystery. That's the tire here. I've been just, maybe I should show you. That's what came out of the tire. So he drove when there was not enough pressure in there. So it's a new tire, as you can see. Look at that. See that? That's a new tire. But what we're going to do, we're going to replace this tire. But for the meantime, I've just mended it. Okay, because there was a slow puncher as well. But look, let me go to my main subject here. My focus is on the TPMS. How does the vehicle with this wheel know that the pressure is going down? How does it alert you on the dashboard and say passenger side front wheel pressure low? If you don't see a TPMS, it means that that particular system uses the ABS sensor. It uses the wheel speed sensor to check the profile of the wheel, and it will know if that wheel is going down. I will maybe bring more later on that one. And as well, if you simply want to know that there's a TPMS or not, you can check these valves. The one with TPMS, they are hard. You see, they are very, very hard. But here, it's not every latest car that is using TPMS, but some manufacturers are still using it. But Skoda is not using it. They have ditched them because they can actually get the same information from the wheel speed sensor. So this is James. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell and give us your likes as well. Thank you very much.